Introducing Iron Pro, the professional-grade iron decontamination spray from Pal Glow, engineered to remove embedded contaminants that regular washing can't touch. Spray Iron Pro evenly onto the wheels. Iron Pro targets and dissolves bonded iron particles, brake dust, and environmental fallout that cling to your paint, wheels, and exterior surfaces over time. As Iron Pro reacts with iron deposits, the color goes to a pinkish red, revealing the contamination breaking down on contact. Allow to dwell for 1 to 3 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with a strong stream of water to reveal a cleaner, smoother, contaminant-free finish. Avoid direct sunlight and letting it dry on the surface. For heavy buildup, light agitation may help, but in most cases, the chemistry does the work for you.